Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mice for work that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Logitech MX Master 3S. Search far and wide, and you'll be hard-pressed to find a productivity mouse more highly recommended or better suited to the task than the Logitech MX Master 3S. This mouse has a little bit of everything and includes a software suite that expands its functionality in surprising ways. It's ergonomically designed to avoid unnecessary stress on your wrists, includes some of the best-feeling buttons in the business, and includes neat extras like rapid mag speed scrolling on the middle mouse wheel and a second thumb wheel for horizontal scrolling, or any other function navigation you can set within the Logitech Options Plus software. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Kinesis DXT Mouse 3. The DXT Mouse 3 certainly looks a little strange. Don't be surprised if coworkers come and ask you about it. But because it's such a simple device, it's easy to learn and get used to. Before long, you'll wonder why all mice don't better match your body's natural positioning. Its unique shape also makes it more versatile. Because of the pen-like way you'll grip it, the DXT Mouse 3 offers more precise control than traditional mice. This makes it an especially good fit if you do any kind of design work but don't want to go all the way into a stylus and touchscreen setup. Programs like CAD drafting tools work wonderfully with it. At number 3, we have the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S for Mac. If you're an Apple user and would prefer to spend less than $100 on a new mouse, the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S for Mac is the perfect choice. It brings with it most of the functionality of the Logitech MX Master 3S in a smaller, more portable, Mac-friendly package. There's little not to love about this mouse, short of the lack of a thumb wing and side-scroll wheel, and it comes in around $30 less, making it a killer value. Like the Logitech MX Master 3S, this mouse has the mag speed middle scroll wheel, the same excellent dark-field optical sensor with a maximum sensitivity of 8000 dpi and outstanding battery life. At number 2, we have the Swiftpoint Creator. The Creator offers buttons on top of buttons on top of buttons, and I mean that literally. In addition to your standard left and right click buttons, you have 2 depth-sensitive buttons positioned midway back on top with 2 more buttons behind that. This combination puts 6 buttons directly beneath your 2 fingers, but it doesn't end there. 2 additional buttons are positioned just to the side of the left click, and there's an up and down paddle on the left thumb. That's a lot of buttons. With the scroll wheel included, it brings the total to 13, but the 2 middle left and right clicks are also pressure sensitive. A light click can send one action, while a deep click sends another. It's enough to be a little overwhelming, but Swiftpoint is prepared for that. And finally, at number 1, we have the Keychron M6. So why wasn't this my pick for the best mouse for work overall? Well, its software is a bit more limited. It doesn't offer the same easy flow between multiple machines, and there's no transferring files with it either. Gesture control and smart actions are both exclusive to Logitech. Keychron software does allow you to control different parameters, like its sensitivity and liftoff distance, and even record macros if your workflow calls for it. It also has a free-flowing scroll wheel, though it lacks the same satisfying momentum of the MX Master and MX Anywhere. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!